So what's the best way to dry out a transformer? Well, unfortunately, transformers do get wet. A lot of times it's from leaks. Um, but it's not good because oxidation is driven, by water, heat, and of course oxygen. And in some cases, that aging is longer term, but then in worse cases, it can be acute, where the water can form droplets and actually lead to a failure that's unplanned. So how do you dry a transformer? Well, there's three basic ways. You can, package it up, put it on a big truck, and send it off to a winding facility where they can untank it. Either put it in their oven or in a vacuum tank, or even perhaps what they call a vapor phase dryer. Second way would be to vacuum dry the transformer in the field. That's effective. You have a downtime of 7 to 10 days, and kind of a aggressive attack on the transformer's moisture. However, you've got to have the transformer vacuum rated, and a good number of transformers are not vacuum rated, so that leads to the way it actually is mentioned in IEEE C57-140 Section 7. If you're interested to go read that, it talks about an online dryer. And because so much of the moisture in a transformer is in the insulation, heat drives that moisture out into the oil where you see it, and of course you can remove it. And that's what the dryer does. You connect the dryer up, and you slowly, remove moisture from the oil. And as the transformer's temperature goes up, the water, goes into the oil, and then the dryer takes it out of the oil, and eventually the transformer becomes dry. But it does take time. It can be 6 months, even a year, to dry out most transformers. We like to equip our dryers, which we call DryMax, with a transmitter. And it transmits the data for moisture and temperature and percent saturation and a couple other alarm type functions to protect your transformer. And we track it, and you can see it on our transformer dashboard. And we believe this is the best effect. It's a service package, or you can buy the dryer. However, again, the idea is to get the moisture out of the transformer's insulation. It's a longer term process, but DryMax very effective.